People are paying for multiple AI subscription, but there is a way to try powerful AI model without a payment detail. If you are using AI for coding, content creation, research or productivity, then this video is for you. I'll show you how to get access powerful AI model through official free of a trial and platform. No hack, no fake misleading claim, just a clear, honest guide and easy to follow. Let's start the video.
TechPolestar is your trusted source for verified digital tools. We deliver premium digital products at affordable prices, with instant access and 24/7 support. Enjoy a secure, seamless, and worry-free shopping experience. Visit techpolestar.com today for reliable digital solutions at unbeatable value.
First, visit this notion.com. So I will give this website link in this video description also. For premium private content that is not available on YouTube and few things I can't discuss publicly, join our WhatsApp group and Telegram channel. Links are in this video description. Then simply click on this. Here you can see get Notion free. You can log in with your email or continue with Microsoft or Apple ID also. I will choose this continue with Google. Then choose one Gmail account. If you had already logged in multiple Gmail account, then click on this continue button to allow access. Now for the onboarding, here you can see simply select anyone. How do you want to use Notion for work or personal life? Simply select anything. Skip for now. I don't want to download Notion app for in my desktop. And here you can see a model. There is Claude, Sonnet, Opus 4.7, Opus 4.8 and Gemini 3.1, GPT and a lot of GPT 5.4, 5.5 and Grok. And these two are in the beta version, 𝐂𝐨𝐭𝐻 2.6 and DeepSeek V4 Pro. So after that, click on this new agent. Here you can see. And here you can see try agent free for 30 days. Click on this. And here you can see name and business mail. Which is optional name, and now we need to enter the code. We need to verify our email, phone number and card detail. Let's simply add your card detail. Then click on this confirm button.
Racing my own thoughts into the silence, seeking the guidance I forgot. It's somewhere lost to the cages of chaos I forgot. Somewhere it must be written, I just lost my access to the map. Somewhere love had bitten, I chased the apple and realized can't let it go. Baby, it's a losing game, and I know that I'm to blame. I crossed the ocean and lost myself below. I owe this to myself to stay in the deep end, finally face to face with truth. How about you? Can you handle the riptide? Won't help from the shoreline. What's the use? Somewhere
If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the 𝐓𝐰𝐢𝐭𝐴 YouTube channel for more simple, honest and free deal like this. Hit the like button and turn on bell so you never miss an update. And for even better deal and detailed guide, make sure to visit techpolestar.com. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.